the Knicks are now 2 wins away from the chip. And oh yes, this game was badly officiated, especially in the second half. But did the Knicks fight? Yes. And did the Knicks win? Yes. The New York Knicks are now 2 wins away. This is crazy, y'all. One, let me tell you something crazy. In 1993, the Chicago Bulls had a 2-0 series lead. In 1995, the Houston Rockets had a 2-0 series lead. Both of those teams won the finals, won the chip. Everything is making sense. This is the next year. We is doing it. Knicks 2026, 2 games away. Let's go, Knicks!